Hello everyone, let me introduce Cooperative Robot Welding Cutting Solution.
Wow, that would be great.
Industrial robots are very good in terms of performance and speed, but cooperative robots can be easily introduced and used safely with flexibility.
Yes, we're in the lineup of cooperative robot welding and cutting solutions with these cooperative robots, right? Right, let's introduce the products that are in the lineup.
It is a standalone JWS series that can be dragged and welded anywhere. It's great for frequent layout changes. It is a designated installation type JWF series that is fixed to a designated place.
You can start welding automation at the most reasonable cost.
This is a welding semi-integrated JWT series that can finish all preparation and welding on the table.
No problem with complicated parts. Gantry or driving JWG series that allows you to overcome work location restrictions and work on large products like large, long, and high products are also no problem.
This is a portable JWP series with excellent mobility, weighing 15 kilograms. It can be applied to corners or narrow places that are difficult to access. It is a JWR series that can automatically weld in and out pipe flanges, tanks, etc. at the same time.
Realize high-quality perimeter welding? So far, we have looked at the lineup of cooperative robot welding and cutting solutions.
We are also responding to customer demands, so please contact us.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Goodbye.